Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So with the holidays coming up, I wanted to share with you guys how to make some really fast and easy gifts. And I made these projects using Resincrete, but you could also make them using concrete or epoxy resin. So let's just get into it. This is the Resincrete that I'm going to be using, and I got this off of Amazon. I'll link this down in the description box for you guys just in case you want to use it. And then for my first project, I'm going to make a little jewelry box, and I'm going to use this mold that I got off of Amazon, and I'll also link this for you guys. I'm going to start off by pouring out 300 grams of the powdered Resincrete, and then in order to activate it, I'm going to add in 90 grams of water and then mix it together. They have special pigments that you can add into resin that I've used in the past before, but I actually wanted to see how acrylic paint would work with this, and I wanted this to be an off-white creamy color, so I'm going to use this color right here and pour a little bit into my resin mixture until I get my desired color. I decided to add in a few drops of yellow paint to keep this on the warmer side. I'm pouring my resin mixture into my mold, and I actually ended up using 500 grams of the powder to 150 grams of water to fully fill this mold. And according to the instructions, I should be able to demold this within 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and here's my jewelry box, and it's like fully hard, so I'm gonna demold it. And I absolutely love how this came out. I think that the acrylic paint worked great with the Resincrete, and I got the exact color that I was looking for. Also, according to the instructions, this will be fully cured in 2 hours, and so I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm not gonna seal it. For this next project, I'm going to make a heart-shaped trinket dish, and I got the mold off of Amazon, and I'll link this for you guys in the description box. For this trinket dish, I weighed out 300 grams of the Resincrete powder and added in 90 grams of water. And then I wanted this to have a really light milky brown color, so I added in a little bit of this espresso acrylic paint color, and I'm going to keep adding in the paint until I get the color that I want. I'm pouring my Resincrete mixture into my mold, and then also don't forget to tap out any air bubbles. I love how this color came out so much, and so I actually wanted to see how this would look like if I sealed it using DecoArt's triple thick gloss glaze, and I did wait the full 2 hours of curing before I did this part. Sealing this with the gloss glaze wasn't the best idea because the sealer is fully dry and you can see all of the paintbrush streaks, and I mean from like a little bit like more far away you can't really like see them, but if you're like within 2 feet of it you can definitely see all of the paintbrush marks. So unless you have like a sealer that's kind of like a spray on or something, I probably wouldn't seal this. For this last project, I'm going to make a flower-shaped trinket dish, and so I weighed out 300 grams of the resin-crete powder to 90 grams of the water. And then I wanted this to be a light pink color, so I'm adding in some of this crushed coral color. Once again, don't forget to tap out any air bubbles. For this trinket dish, I added in sun speckles using some white acrylic paint. And then I wanted to see how Deco Art's Ultra Matte Sealer would work with this because it's a different consistency. This one's like really liquidy, like more watery, and then the gloss glaze was like more like a goo. This sealer worked a lot better with this. There are a few areas where you can see the tiniest bit of paintbrush streaks, but like not really. You can't even really see it on camera at all. So I think like liquidy consistent sealers on the resin-crete work a lot better. But honestly, I don't think that you need to seal this. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!